Good evening, guys. Just overall presentation of Falcon Technologies Private Limited. Just for the time being, I would like to show the brief profile of our organization. The introduction is as follows. It's ISO 9001-2008 certified organization, and as I told many times, it's a leading audio video broadcasting scientific technology solution provided and system integrated to client for private as well as government. It has a 20 years of vast experience and finished on more than 250 projects, which includes lot of successful installations in 4 countries, 26 states and 72 cities, and so on. We have a good credential these days, and we are putting our these credentials. We are like to put our credential in smart city development as well as Indian Railways, of course in ISRO, DRDO, and many more. What makes to choose Falcon Technology as a turnkey solution provider? That's the reason. There are 3 or 4 reasons here. The number one, it is an organization which is exclusive authorized partner with one of the best OEM across the world. The very important of this organization makes this has a factory trained technical staff. The technical staff were residing in this organization having a good experience and used to have routine training in the premises of OEM, either in Europe, either in US, in quarterly or half yearly, right? This makes us them very good sense of humor and good quality expert as per the other technical staff. It is again authorized after sales support in India and Asia also. Some of the country which is like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, these all countries which are being sold out of our equipments of different various OEMs. Falcon Technologies New Delhi office having the service center who repairs in their own premises. They have the spare inventory inside. If I'm not wrong, it is nearly about 50 to 70 lakh rupees inventory available at a time in Falcon inventory organized premises. Just a very fast background about some supply of projects in last 10 years. Some 10 kilowatt of FM transmitters they have supplied of more than 150. It's huge. Some of the 20 kilowatt FM transmitters are more than 35. That's very good. And some of the 5 kilowatt FM transmitters are supplied and integrated as 70 numbers. So it is just 250 transmitters are supplied to all India radio. This is only talking about all India radio. This is not talking about private customers. This is one of the good project which was delivered by Falcon Technologies Private Limited, which was associated with a reputed make known as Moseley, America. It was installation, testing, commissioning, and supply of 127 sites of all India radio of STL, which was highly appreciated by Government of India and highly appreciated by our partner Moseley. Just some figures of the private sector. What we have done, the private phase first was established in year 2002-2003. Only 3 transmitter was sent out. The reason behind that was this only Radio Mirchi, which was the customer of the private era. So that's the reason it was only number 3. In the second batch, the new players like My FM, Radio Mirchi, of course, Red FM, Radio City, all have been conquered in this private industry, which makes our sale more than 8 times in 2006 and 7. The same scenario comes up in private phase 3. It was 36 numbers of transmitter supplied. That's the reason of batch 1. The reason was little bit offensive. Why? Because the frequency rates were too high. That's the reason the less frequencies were sold out, and that's the reason the less number of people have interacted. Just having a view on the medium wave transmitters, we have given 19 numbers of medium wave transmitters from 100 to 1000 kilowatt as a service supplied to All India Radio. One of the biggest shortwave transmitters of India, which is residing in Rajkot of 1 megawatt power, has been successfully delivered by Falcon Technologies in India, and it is being supported by Falcon people. Some of the good transmitters of television to Doordarshan of 33 numbers has been delivered by Falcon Technologies of India. There are some list of international projects. Likely, I have told you we have already worked in Afghanistan, Bhutan, as well as in Nepal. Some of the projects are here in your short notice. So what kind of turnkey solution? We are always talking about, we are turnkey solution people. We are giving us solutions to provide broadcasting and communication sectors. Here we go. It's basically FM and AM transmitter accessories. We are dealing, as I have told you, the make of our FM transmitter is DB Electronica, which deals from 50 watt to 20 kilowatts. Somewhere in 50 watt is required for set up a community radio stations. So Falcon is also providing 50 watt transmitters, which is required in community radio stations, which are very small concurrent radio stations in India. We have a good ample of medium wave transmitters, which is the make known as Thomson, which is a very big brand of France. We have a good shortwave transmitters, namely known as Ampeggen, which is Switzerland. Some of the rigid lines, yes. The coaxial switches, the dummy door, the surge suppressor, everything we do have. What are the silent features of our transmitters? Silent features are here. We have a transmitter which has having 70% efficiency or more. Oh, that's huge. It performs on even 15% of reflected power. That's the beauty of this transmitter. Unless and until if you have 15% of reflected power, the transmitter burns away. But there are some good features. Unless and until not neither of transmitter issue, maybe issue of some combiner, issue of some antenna. But yes, your transmitter will still run on even on 15% of reflection. It is highly easy to install even by a peon. It's a hot swappable card of power amplifier. Just come up, put up on the same transmitter working condition. That's the beauty of these transmitters. It is, yeah, of course, it has a lower heating grain technology. It got some good certifications, and it has 80 dB assurance of the audio. It has a good access of remote. In local space are always available. That I told you, we have good inventory available in India. The Pyrex and accessories are here. So see, there are a lot of things are available on the Pyrex. The FM broadcast processor, most important thing, which pumps your sound quality. The raw sound, the final sound needs some power, some quality, some peak, which is given by this audio processors. So yes, we do with Innovonics, USA make. We do have Excel technology, Italian. We do have Omnia. That's good. The features are always available. The 5 band, it is always working for 5 bands. It can have up to 12 bands these days. Now just a quick review about FM monitors and receivers are likely as follows. We do have AQ, yes. We do have Volar, yes. We do have Innovonics. So modulation monitor, modulation analyzers. All things are available with Falcon Technologies. Yes, I have talked to you many times. IP codecs, we do have AQ and Excel. But yes, precisely AQ is doing very well in terms of IP codecs. AQ is having 1 channel, 2 channel also IP codec system. We do have RDS encoders. In previous times, in previous FM industry, RDS encoders were not inbuilt in the transmitters. So that's the reason somebody has to buy exceptional external RDS encoders, which is available with Falcon Technologies since 2002, 2003, when the era came of FM. Yes, as I told you, we are doing good cables, which are Comoscope as well as RFS, Germany. It's a quite popular brands. Antenna systems, yes, Moano. STL, yes, AEQ as well as Moselle. That's great. The studio equipments, we do have a broadcasting and on-air consoles, which we do with AQ, of course with Excel. These are the features which are these are the general features available in the broadcast consoles. Yes, we do have radio automation systems, which I think we have discussed a lot previous times. So see, you can say that there is one scheduler, there is a recorder, there is a streamer, There is a production, there is advertising, there is a social network, there is a commercial, there is on air. So all things are available in one pack. Right? These are the different modules that is coming in one package. We are doing this project together in All India Radio for 79 stations. This is a good and amazing project for us. Apart from broadcasting, yes, we are doing our storage and cloud system management. We have network monitoring systems. We have smart tower and structures. We do have a good aspects of LED video walls also. What we have done in Aaj Tak TV Today as well as in Z in these days, in these coming days. Some of them we are doing in Indian Railways also. So this is basically a network management solutions of Mosaic. It's a US make, and it delivers complete network management systems which controls from one place, complete studio, complete transmitter setup from the one place by the single IP address. So this is worked very well in aviations, in medical also. So what people are thinking in India now to accept and to adapt this technology to work as unmanned system. This is basically, guys, an unmanned systems technology which will be really required in future aspects, which is done by Falcon Technologies Private Limited. Of course, we do a lot of things in server and storage systems. Yes, we have successfully given some good servers and storage systems to All India Radio in previous time also and this time also. So yes, that's beauty of this organization. Here we go for LED video wall solutions. I told you we have indoor as well as outdoor walls, video walls, which is BIS compliant. And we have done this project with Aaj Tak as well as in Government of India, as well as we have worked in C. There are some monopoles towers, and there are a lot of things which we are doing for public sector. These are being used in PWD, smart city developments and all. So just a quick review of our associated partners. It's here you go. These are our some valuable customers from government side. Some of the valuable customers from private side. So just a thank you for everyone to attending our portfolio.